Good evening everyone. Meron tayong question sa ating TikTok account. No, ang sabi, Attorney, what is the difference between annulment and legal separation? No? As an introduction, annulment and legal separation are two remedies or two reliefs offered by the law to spouses or to couples having difficult time going through their marriage. But they are two different types of remedies. No? Let's try to differentiate legal separation from annulment. First, when we talk about legal separation, it is a remedy provided by the family code, authorizing the husband and the wife to live separately, Kaya nga sinabing legal separation, you are authorized by the law to live separately, legally lived separately, meaning your obligations to each other as husband and wife ceases when the order for legal separation comes out. No? Second, you are to divide your properties. Your conjugal or your communal properties are divided. Kasi nga, your obligations towards each other already ceased. But, your marital bond remains intact. What does it mean? You are still considered husband and wife. There is still what we call the marriage tie or the marriage bond. It is not dissolved, it is not terminated when it is legal separation. But if it is annulment, annulment terminates, dissolves, or ends your marriage. So you cease becoming husband and wife. Not only that you cease from performing your obligations as husband and wife, you also cease to become husband and wife. Unlike in legal separation, you cease performing obligations towards each other as husband and wife, but you are still considered as husband and wife. Husband and wife pa rin kayo. Pero sa annulment, it ends or dissolves the marriage. Therefore, hindi na kayo husband and wife. Okay? And at the same time, the marriage is declared void from the beginning. Ibig sabihin, it is as if though there was no marriage that even happened. Wala daw marriage na nangyari kasi nga, void daw siya from the beginning. Okay? While legal separation, hindi siya void from the beginning because the marriage still exists. The marital bond still remains intact. Okay? The second, spouses cannot remarry under legal separation. Why? Because of this. The spouses cannot remarry because the marriage bond is still existing or is still intact. Okay? While for annulment, since it is declared void from the very beginning, the spouses or the husband or the wife can now remarry. Okay? Unlike sa legal separation na they cannot. Okay? For the grounds, for annulment, the grounds are present at the time of the marriage. Take note, dapat existing na siya at the time of the marriage. Hindi siya existing at the time na ayaw nyo na sa isa't isa. Pero dapat at the time of the marriage. Okay? While for legal separation, the grounds are existing only at the present time. Hindi siya nag-exist at the time na kinasal kayo, pero ngayon, kung ano yung sitwasyon ngayon. Okay? Yung legal separation, ano yung sitwasyon mo ngayon? Yung annulment, ano yung sitwasyon at the time of your marriage? Kailan kayo kinasal? Ano yung sitwasyon doon? Okay? Yun yung grounds. Ano ba yung klase ng grounds? For legal separation, meron ng serious misconduct. May abandonment na for at least 1 year or for more than 1 year. Iniwan ka na. Hindi na kayo nagsasama. May repeated physical violence. Paulit-ulit kang sinasaktan or binubugbog physically. Abusive behavior. Hindi ka nga binubugbog, pero yung mga treatments niya sa'yo is psychologically or emotionally draining on your part as the partner, as the spouse. There's also drug addiction, okay? Habitual alcoholism is also a ground for legal separation and sexual infidelity, no? These are the grounds for legal separation. Take note, itong mga yan, nangyayari yan at either at the present or after marriage. No? Yan ang legal separation. Nangyayari siya after marriage. Pero yung sa annulment, ang grounds mo, meron na siya at the time of the marriage, meaning existing na siya at the time of the marriage. Ano? Ibig sabihin yan? Lack of consent. No? Walang consent yung both parties. Take note, essential requisites po ang consent. Ang parents' consent, wala din. Take note, if either the husband or the wife is 18 to 21, no? Kailangan po niya ng parents' consent. Kung hindi, annulable siya within 5 years. Psychological incapacity is one of the popular grounds for annulment, no? Meaning that your partner's spouse is psychologically incapable to become a spouse. They cannot perform their obligations as spouse. Okay, another one is fraud. Okay, panlilin lang. Okay, fraud. There are 4 instances na nilatag ng batas, no? Na considered as ground for fraud. Okay, isa dyan yung concealment of homosexuality, concealment of conviction of a crime. I will discuss this in a separate video. Okay? Force to obtain consent. No? Yung tinatawag nilang shotgun. Shotgun wedding, no? Ano yung shotgun wedding? Yung tinututukan ng baril daw, pinipilit na ipakasal. Yan yung force to obtain consent. Pinilit mo, di ba? And also, physically incapable of consummating the marriage. These are the grounds for annulment. Take note, itong mga to, kailangan mong i-prove na nag-exist siya at the time of the marriage. While for legal separation, nangyayari siya after the marriage or at present. Okay, so yun ang difference ng legal separation sa annulment. Okay?